sorry. I had an internship interview.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Hello. How you doing? I'm good. Really cute. Really pretty. I did my makeup today because I just wanted to do a video for my hair. My friend did my hair. I'm going to leave her details here on the screen. You guys should book with her. She does home services and she's so affordable. And her services is great. Na mkono yake si uchungu. To add on that, like it did not hurt at all. At all. It did not hurt at all. Like, my hair looks so good. I thought this would be like a really... You remember the red I did? The curly ones? Oh god, the introduce vlog. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking onto this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Like, for real, thank you so much. Welcome to my D6 vlog. Naishi karibu na mosque. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Mosque school. So kuna watoto wanacheza na kuna mosque. Sijui ni saa ngapi? It must be 3. It's 4. Ooh. I woke up late, but I feel like I've had a really productive day because I shoot 2 videos. I have a lot of cute pictures. Nimeanzisha vlog. And that is productive enough. Yeah, I really like my hair and my face. Like, I'm getting really good at doing my own face. Like, guys, hello. I did my edges too. Like, I love this hair. I love when it light. Unajua kitu naogopanga na kushuka like braids ni like the weight. So like nilimwambia 4 or less. I don't like heavy braids because my skull is so tender. But she understood the assignment. I think she's my official hairstylist while I'm in Nairobi. Yeah. I get just scared. Gosh. But I like how cute I look. Let me take a picture for the thumbnail. I can't ball it. Medium ball it. Hello? I thought this would be red, but it's not red the way I want red to be. So I guess I'm in my redhead journey. So I was actually to red. I guess in a little maroonish. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to come here, show you my new hair that I got done yesterday. It's cute, it's clean, it's beautiful. Nakwanga na kamba kufunga braids nikishuka braids, like nilikata from my stocking ya kulala. Sijui iko wapi. Nilipeana gani? Okay, nilipeana ya mamangu. Sister yangu alikuwa anatumia mamangu. But I should have mine. Gosh, I'm so cute. Najangalia kwa kioo hata siamini, like I was so scared. I'm really falling in love with doing my own makeup. Hello? Let's get up. No, waste storage. Just did it vlog last week. So I can't speak too much here because I don't want to waste my space. Bye guys. Hi guys, I'm making dinner. Chapati. Natumia leftover unga imeisha. And I'm watching TikToks as I do it. Nimaliza the hard part. Hakuna kitu nibambanga kama kupika chapati kidogo. Like, I'm done. Nilianza like 6:35. Nika take a break. Nikaenda nikanunua manguo. Now I just want to put the pan on and fry it. And I'm done. Yes. Oops. Nilitoa makeup juu I ended up crying because I was so cold. But here's my skin glowing. Anyway, wacha nipike chapo zangu. And then we'll catch up later. Bye. Hi guys, hello, good morning. I headed to school. It is done, hair styled, bag in hand. I'm carrying this bag. Nilibangi kibwezi, imagine, for like 200 bob. Yeah, and it's so cute and pink. And I just need a pop of color today. I did my lip gloss. I did my skincare. Nakwanga na hiyo ndogo ya green. Nilikuwa naweka hapa kwa window, ikaanguka. Na sijui naishi second floor ama third floor. So it's gone. Nimesikia tukivunjika na huko chini. Yeah. I don't know if I'll get another one because I have this big ass mirror. I don't know. Imeniuma though. Yeah, anyway, I'm done. Let me go guys. I just wanted to come here and check up on you. Jana nilifanya shopping. But sasa nimebaki kunini kuzipanga juu like nilikuwa nadhani nitapanga asubuhi but I don't know. Sijui nimefanya nini yenye nimechelewa juu ni almost 11. I can never keep time and I hate that about me right now and I want to change that. Imagine niliamka 7:30. Si hata 9 yenye naamkanga ndio nitoke 11. Sasa sijui nini imefanyika. Anyway, let me go. Mtu aliniambia naongeanga mingi. But don't you love it? You love it when I talk too much. You don't? You do? Okay. I really love my lip gloss. Nimetumia hii hapa. These two. This brown one. Naona vile shimmery huwezi paka mingi. So nimepaka kidogo and then nikapaka hii clear. And it just glows on my lips so good. Unajua nafaa kwenda bank saa hii na bado niko hapa napiga na wewe story. Sorry, baby, t-shirt just in case. Anyway, bye guys. We'll see you later. Yeah, nimeishiwa na space, so pia sitaki kuongea sana. Na bado naongea. Bye. Thursday. Damn girl, I'm sleeping. But I just wanted to come here and say good morning, guys. Thank you for spending the morning with me today, because I don't know, I didn't feel like making a short video about the morning because I've already done one for this week, one or two for this week. So I just wanted to do it here on my vlog, and it was nice. But I'm running late. I realize I am wasting a lot of time. I look so cute, right? Right? Stop. I was saying I'm wasting a lot of time. To tell me when Lemka 7:50 na saini 10:30. I've not left the house, but I'm done. Nimeshavaa the bag. Let us taongelesha sana. We need to go to school. Yeah, I love my hair. Like damn. Hasa vimejipanga hapa mbele. Hello, and then the part hello, and then the edges when it's in a lay. I hope I never stop doing my hair. But yeah, I look so cute. So let's go. Leo nataka kufika shule mapema. Jana nilifika 12:30. Nikitoka saa hii kuna chances, I hope nimebeba pen yangu. I get it. Kuna chances naweza fika by 11. And that would be nice. I'm wearing my dirty shoes because where's the key? Oh, I'm wearing my dirty shoes because they are already dirty and I don't want to clean a lot of shoes over the weekend. So where we go. Off we go. I got myself a sewing machine and I'm so happy about it. I can't wait to use it because that's Saturday. You know, I need to wake up early on Saturday. Bye, guys. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. I'm headed to school. It's Friday morning. I'm so exhausted. Like nasikia tu nimechoka. It's 7:30 already. I'm late. What the hell? Why do I even try? Lateness yangu inanibu. So I want to work on that. So yeah, I'm so low on energy. It's crazy. It's so crazy. Like I don't nimeshinda kufunga nywele and anything. So I'm just wearing this headband, thick white headband. I'm making myself another one. I'll show you guys when I'm done. But yeah, I'm heading to school. My teeth hurts like crazy. Nimeangalia weather forecast na niambia kunanyesha. Huku kuita kunyesha, but what if nifike town na kunanyesha? You know, but nimebeba raincoat, the raincoat yangu imeraruka, so sielewi. I will have to buy myself an umbrella sooner rather than later. Cause where? And the craziest thing is, jana mvua ilikuwa inanyesha na tumepanga tu line ya kuingia kwa gari. Tunanyesha tu na tunapanga line ya kuingia kwa gari. Like damn, I can't wait until I'm no longer partaking in that. Hakuna kitu kinipuke mayo, but ilikuwa tu like damn. Oh well. My bag is packed, but I think I need to wear my sweater because sijui nataka kuvaa viatu gani juu like nilinyesha jana na viatu zangu zinipanga kuvaa the whole week ndo nizioshe. They're dirty, so I don't know what to do. I think I'll just wear the other dirty ones because this has been my sweater. Nilinyesha na jana but nilianika kwa closet imekauka. Okay, I don't want to ruin my edges. Did I ruin it? No? Yeah. But today I don't feel like tying my hair up. Today I will change my mind when it starts to rain or when I reach where it's raining. So I just carry this my two bladder. This is my camp. This is what I used to tie my hair. Nilikata kwa stocking. Yeah, it's so good. So good. Anyway, so I don't know if I carry it just in case I change my mind and I want to tie my hair up, or I just like this. I look really cute. I'm wearing pink on pink on pink on pink. It's so disgusting. Sorry to say. Sweater pink, sweater pink. Girl. Baggy pink. This already looks like a set. And then I had pop on brighter pink. No pun intended. But anyway, I gotta go, guys. I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Good morning, guys. I've been trying to style my hair for the last 30 minutes and I've reached nowhere and I'm experiencing this lowness. And yet, it's easy to explain. I'm just so low. You go to like, and then steam hotel, hatuna maji juu maji yetu ni ya kupampiwa. I'm just doing a high band, then I'm trying to go to church. Mas naanza saa 5. It's inafaa kuanza saa 5 and I want to be in church because gender church for the last 2 consecutive Sundays and breaking patterns is hard. Hadi ya kutoenda church, my jeez, gosh, I really miss church and nimekuwa nikienjoy someone's this new parish because it's, what can I say, new breath. Okay, my dad is calling me. Let me pick it and then come back. Hi ban done. Naiko combos, you know. I'm just going through it, like yeah. I'm going to visit my dad after church because what will I be doing here alone? No electricity, no water. but I'll come back early juu nimeanika nguo zangu zenye nilifua jana. Thank God nilifua jana cause sasa ningekuwa like the way I hate dirty clothes. Kwanza zikipile up like naanzanga new week with dirty clothes. Nah. No. Yeah. Just doing my edges roughly. I feel like nime tight some braids. Zingine haziko tight vizuri. But a girl is too tired to give an F. Sijui nasikia aje, like sifurahi venye nasikia, you know? But it's cool. Feelings. What the fuck is this now? Pia tena ka yawa. That's my tiny mirror. Guys, niliwaambia kiwango ya green ilianguka huku nyuma while I was doing my edges to hivi. I was trying to place it here on the window. Sai sana. Hadi nikiweka simu yangu hapo na feel to like because it might also go. Na unajua hapo ni hadi chini ground floor. Sijui, nikiwa mdogo. I'm Catholic by the way. By birth and right now by choice. Nikiwa mdogo. On Sundays like this, the sermon, anaitangaaje, homily ya leo ndio ingekuwa inatumika kama wimbo za entrance za church. And I thought it was so cool. Let me do my lips then I come back. So yeah, lips done. I've been really enjoying this shimmer of late. How cute. Yeah, and then I chopping it up na absolute lip gloss kidogo. It's so sunny, but nataka kubeba jacket. Do I want to go? Like nikitoka hivi kwa nyumba ni hadi jioni. But around 3 will be nice if I'll be back. Cause yeah, I want to come home and hang my clothes, relax. Yeah. So now I'm going to church. The thing is, nimevaa tuna steamer, tuna maji. I don't know what I want to do on my feet. Vitu nataka kuvaa niliosha jana. Na niko sure zijakauka. So that's that. Perfume zangu zote ziko hapa guys. Mtanifanya nini? How will you help me out? I realized the only way to have like perfumes for long is to have many. Does that even make sense to have many? So, but sasa shida ni hizi zangu zote unaona ziko tu hapo. Yeah. I need money guys. I need money, like real money. Bye. Acha mimi niende church. Nitaanza hapa kuongea. This is how the agenda of the day. Kama tumespend ndani ya mapua. What background card? I don't go by hii, but this is a big bag for charge. But do not have the charges and everything. Try and charge my phone at my dad's. Kidogo. But yeah, this is me. Ready to go to church. I miss you. I mean, no. Tumeongea. Acha nisiovadu. Siku yetu niko na pesa hapa. What? No money. More problems. Okay guys, bye for now. Well, I will probably vlog kidogo what I can, but hopefully barabara ya kwenda kwa babangu ilikuwanga mbaya. Kwanza like after it rains. I hope it's not that bad shitty because but kuna kwanga na barabara mbili, so probably wanazunguka to the other one. Who knows? I don't. Yeah, guys, naongea mengi shit.